Hello, I'm Rebecca Conroy. I am the principal here at East Sussex College and I cannot wait to welcome you to our Taster Days that are coming up very soon. Taster Days are a really great opportunity for you to find out a bit more about what colleges are like, what it would be like to come and study, what sort of things you'll be able to do, the difference between college and school, and really understanding the range of offer that we have here at East Sussex College. Whether it be A-level, T-level, a professional or technical course, the Taster Days will give you 4 options to really get to know what you like and how it's going to be delivered, meet some new friends and really get a better idea of what it would be like to study at East Sussex College. On the day of your session, if you come to our main reception area for 9 o'clock, we'll give you your timetable for the day and make sure you know where you're going. If you want to bring a packed lunch, you're very welcome, or alternatively you can use our canteens. We'll have lots going on over the breaks, there'll be lots of fun stuff happening. We hope there'll be lovely weather, but it doesn't matter either way, we'll have lots going on. And we really want to make sure you just get a really good sense of what it's like to be at college when you leave school, so you can really understand what that will feel like.
Hi, I'm Bella Turner and Taster Day helped me to get into college and especially trying to find my perfect chance to take a level 3 professional cooking course. It's been great and I highly recommend for you to start.
Hey, I'm Sophie. I came to Year 10 Days, which helped me decide what courses I'm doing, which are Maths, Business and PE A-levels. It's a really good decision to help knuckle down and decide what you want to do.
We are so thrilled that you've chosen to spend the day with us and we'll make sure you have a really brilliant time. We cannot wait to see you at East Sussex College and we really look forward to welcoming you and showing you everything we have to offer.